So in last video we have discussed about Google Stitch that introduced for the user interface designing, and in this video we are going to talk about how this Google Stitch design code or the designing we can convert it to the code, and then how we can run on our machine as a coding interface, right? So let's see what we can do from here, right? This is the prompt that I have used to generate these vehicle or the lorry rental kind of website, and you can see the designing on here that they have instruction or the given details, and then I'm going to click on this design, and then you can see there was a coding interface and there was a Figma interface. Even you can import this into the Figma, or you can directly see the designing code on here, right? So let's see this code is work on or not in your local machine, right? So I'm going to copy this code, right? So the all of the code, the runnable code, I am going to copy, and then what I'm going to do is on here I'm going to create a text document, right? So I have click right click on there and then click new, and then I can select text document on there. Right now I have created a text document, and then I'm going to open this text document. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just paste that copied code to this text document. Right, this is the notepad and the text document, and I have paste that code on here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this text document as a HTML page, right? So I'm giving some name for on here, right? web2.html, and then save as type I'm selecting as all document, right? And I'm going to save. Then I can see the web file on here, right? So I can double click on there, and you can see the exactly design that created by that AI, right? So the Google Stitch has designed the interface, and you can see they were functionally working the design, right? So like this you can create the good designing website for your any kind of work that relevant to the web designing or the mobile application development. Also you can get those codes, right? So test on these designs, and if you have any comment or the any questions, you can comment on down here, or you can hit like and you can subscribe to our channel.